Hi, I'm Cami, the CEO of Game On Family. I'm introducing our newest product, the Feelings and Dealings My Feelings chart for kids. It's a fabric poster. No more paper posters that rip and curl. I designed a large 20-inch by 24-inch durable fabric emotions poster perfect for classrooms, therapeutic and counseling offices, learning centers, social emotional learning programs, homeschools, or calm down corners. It's a high quality, lightweight, machine washable polyester fabric that accepts ironing at a low temp. It hangs easily with 2 metal grommets and folds flat when not in use. It features 25 vibrant, expressive, full-body characters that help children identify and label emotions when studying facial expressions and body language. With large letters labeling each character's feelings, it's an ideal tool for teachers, students, parents, caregivers, counselors, therapists, and social workers to help kids develop emotional intelligence skills and calm down techniques. Identifying and naming feelings is the first step toward emotion regulation, so get yours today and start teaching feelings to the kids in your life. Thank you.